Hello and welcome to another episode. So today I'm going to try to repair this Sega Genesis that I picked up at a recent flea market. It doesn't come on at all. I tested the power brick and there's electricity there, there's power. But when we flick the switch to the on position, we get no red light, no signal to the television. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this lifeless Sega Genesis and hopefully bring it back to life. Let's take a look. Yeah, so this is what I get when I turn the power on. I get nothing. So I'm gonna open this sucker up and we'll take a look inside to see if we have any kind of damage in there. Either electronics being burnt out or maybe some electrical parts being just dirty with maybe some corrosion or rust. But yeah, let's get into it and see what's inside, shall we? Okay, so yeah, once we get the 6 screws removed from the back, the shell should just crack open. We'll lift from the back here. Sometimes it can be a little sticky. We got it. Now we want to watch this cable. Oh, I don't know if this is the problem with the power not coming on. I doubt it, but the LED is disconnected. I mean, they give you quite a length of cable here, and I'm pretty certain I didn't pull that out of there. So I'm guessing someone tried to maybe open this and fix this before. But we'll take off this shielding and inspect some more, and we'll also clean up like the volume control for the headphones, because that gets pretty dirty. As you can see, we can just take a toothbrush and brush away that dust. First off, I'm going to take this connector off. Looks like the pins, well actually it's just bare wire on the ends there, so the tips must still be attached to the motherboard here. Oh yeah, so if you take a look, you can see that little red and white, those ends are plugged into the main board still. I'll see if I can't get those with some tweezers or something. Yep, so there's our RF shield. Funny little jumpers. Pretty sure those are Sega qualified jumpers right there. Anyway, yeah, so the ground plane on this connector seems like it's maybe rusty, or it has a layer of some yellow gunk on it, which might be causing us to not have power as well. Like I said, I didn't test this just by checking the LED light. I did have it connected to a television along with a second Genesis, just to make sure the power brick and my RF switch was functioning properly. So what I'll do is I'm going to go in here and clean up these this power connector real quick. Yeah, so to just show you what I have going on here, I just have a little cup of CLR, and I've been soaking this power connector. And yeah, after that soaks for a while, I'll rinse it off and brush it out with maybe a Q-tip or some paper towel. Okay, now that I've rinsed it off with some, regular water and dried it, I'm just going in with a fine tip screwdriver here and just lightly brushing around to loosen up any crud that the CLR may have loosened up for us. You always want to be careful with that CLR. It's pretty much acid, so you have to go easy and use your brains. Don't try to blow it out of here. If there's some left in there and you blow it back into your face or in your mouth, you're going to be in trouble. So think about what you're doing before you do anything stupid. And a lot of it rinsed off, but maybe you can see this. It's got some crud on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in here and unsolder these two connectors for the LED light. Okay, so we removed those two connectors there. I'm going to clean that up with some solder braid. Oh yeah. Cool, so that just slides back like that. That's gonna make it a whole lot easier to solder this end. I can just take my red and my white, plug them in, and solder them. Okay, so you can see here, I wanted to show you real quick what we have. Alright, so you can see that my white wire, my negative lead, is going on to that big ground plane here. That's okay. I just want to make sure this positive post is independent of the ground, so we're not shorting it out. So I pull out my multimeter. And we're going to check for continuity here. If I hear that, there's a short. I don't want to hear that sound. And we don't hear that sound. That's perfect. Well, it's time to reassemble. Okay, so I have the lid back on. I haven't put in the screws yet because I want to check to see if we have any power before I go ahead and put all the screws in. Going good. So now we have a power light. I'm gonna get this hooked up to a TV and let's see if we can't play some Sega Genesis games, huh? Okay, so we're back. I have it connected to the TV, so I'm just gonna turn it on and see if we get any video game action. Got it crammed in there nice and pop the TV on. Make sure we're on the right input and give it a go. Cable. And go. Sweet. Okay. So it looks like it's good. Awesome. So yeah. It was just probably the corroded power connector on there was causing the whole problem, but yeah, we fixed that and reconnected the little LED light. that was off for whatever reason. But yeah, so that's it. I brought back to life this little Sega Genesis. Yeah, got it, like I said, I got it at a flea market recently, and I'm pretty happy that it worked properly. So until next time, keep watching, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned for some more video game repairs and other electronic stuff. And we will see you later. Until next time, bye.